Hello, investors. In this video, we will see an interesting way to find out right mutual funds for your portfolio. And we will do this with a very special tool that is available only on Sharply. And we call it the alpha analysis tool. Now, using this tool, you can simply find the mutual funds that are generating alpha. Now, what is alpha? Alpha is the excessive return that a portfolio generates compared to the benchmark. Right. So to find these funds, let's just open alpha analysis tool. And for that, just go to analysis tools and then mutual funds and then alpha analysis. We have the same tool for ETFs as well. We are discussing about mutual funds. You can do the same things in ETFs. So just open alpha analysis fund. And here we have three choices. First is the category, second is the benchmark, and third is the time horizon. Now, let's say I want to find flexicap mutual funds that are generating alpha. So my category will be equity flexicap. So I can just look for flexicap. Okay, I can simply just type it. So equity flexicap. And FlexiCap funds invest in all type of stocks, small cap, mid cap, large cap. So my relevant benchmark will become Nifty 500. So I'll type Nifty 500 total return index, and then I'm asked to provide the date range, and I have to provide minimum of 3 months. But I'll do this analysis on a longer time frame. So my start date will be from 2021, 1st of May of 2021 to today. So these are the date range. So it is more than 3 years, right? And then I'll just simply click on check. And here is the magic. So here are the mutual funds at which their alpha. So both start date and end date are provided, and there are other useful columns as well. So AUM, fund returns. So these are the fund returns in the relevant time frame, and these are the benchmark returns. So as the time frame is more than 1 year, these are the CAGR numbers. Then we have the most important column alpha over here. So this ICICI Prudential Retirement Fund Pure Equity Plan has generated alpha of 12.85%. So benchmark return is 20.46% and the fund return is 32.87%. So if you deduct this number from this number, this won't be the exact results because just if you look at alpha formula, without going into much technicality, alpha is not the simple deduction. It involves the portfolio return minus risk-free return minus beta into market return minus risk-free return. So this is the formula, and based on this formula, this alpha is shown. But it will be very near to the difference of these numbers, right? So these are the top performing funds with highest alpha are shown on the top, and if you scroll down, the alpha goes down, and here are some of the funds with negative alpha. So as you can see, these are the fund UTA, FlexiCap, Mira Asset Focus Fund, Axis Focus Fund, Axis FlexiCap Fund. All the funds here are with negative alpha. So you can simply avoid these funds as well because as they are generating negative alpha. So that's it. Using this tool, you just simply by providing time horizon, selecting the right benchmark and category, you can find funds that are generating the alpha, positive alpha, and then you can analyze them further and then select the right fund for your portfolio. And there are many interesting funds in this name in this list. So top performing we have Quant FlexiCap plan, then the retail favorite Parag Parikh FlexiCap has also generated 6.73% of alpha. Right, and you can also generate the heat maps of them. You can also download these data. So I have generated this table. You can simply just click on this export data and you can download this in Excel file, and then you can apply your filters at alpha greater than 0 or something like that, and then you can again check for the right mutual funds. So that's it. We hope you will find the right funds that will generate alpha and add to your portfolio returns using this tool. Thank you.